This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
Just can't believe what I'm seeing here, guys. It's just, I mean, are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? That's what these famous guys talk about. Hey guys, it's Mikey. How you doing? Today I started my day with watching the quotes of famous people. I think it's important. It's important to get motivation from someone because it keeps you on track. You don't forget about your goal. And, you know, this is important. So now it's time to get back to work. In this video, I wanted to put to the test one of those crypto-themed minigames. Like nothing serious at all, without expecting anything. I'm just wondering what the gameplay looks like because one of my subscribers asked me to test it. And I decided to do that because why not, actually? So I'm just wondering about the gameplay mechanics. Right now, I'm just adjusting the settings. It's no big deal at all. It's pretty straightforward. And while I'm doing it, guys, I wanted to say that everything that I'm showing here is just my random experience. I have no idea what's gonna happen. And basically, I'm just putting things to the test. I'm not a financial advisor. Keep in mind that you shouldn't repeat any of that. And this video is intended for those aged 18 and older. Okay, so give me just a sec. I'm gonna do something here, guys. Give me just a sec. Okay, then I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna go ahead to the section, and basically I'm gonna drop it right here. And I'm gonna drop this thing, and basically that's it. I'm just gonna hit this button. It's processing. Come on, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna come back here. I'm gonna double check it. And yeah, actually that was fast. And right now I'm just gonna start playing. But first, I'm just gonna put this tiny test amount that I'm totally fine losing because, like I said, I'm just putting things to the test here. I have no expectations, and I'm ready to any scenario. So I'm just gonna open 3 here. Looks good. That looks awesome. No, I'll tell you what, that looks awesome because I really enjoyed this gameplay and everything looks smooth, and yeah, that's great. So now I'm just gonna keep this momentum going. I just want to make sure it's not some sort of a coincidence or luck because I never rely on luck. Okay, 3 at the top, 1 here, and the last one is here at the bottom, just like that. And it looks fantastic. I mean, I'm totally enjoying it. And yeah, this is Andrew Tate, and I love this guy because everything he says is just so true, and it helps me stay on track. So that's what I do, guys. And like I said, you should listen to successful people because they often share their secrets, and that's important. That's important. This way you never forget about your goal. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna drop this thing right here, just like that. And like I said, I have no expectations whatsoever. In the meantime, it's submitted. Okay, that's great. So basically, I'm gonna show you something here, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go here. Yeah, I'm gonna give it like, I don't know, 15 seconds. And I'm gonna try and refresh it. Nothing happens. I have a feeling that something cool is about to happen, but you never know. I'm ready to any outcome. And like I said, guys, this video is only for those aged 18 and older. I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't recommend repeating any of that. Okay, so basically I'm gonna try and refresh it. Yeah, nothing happens. Alright, so I'm gonna give it like, I don't know, maybe 5 seconds, and I guess it's gonna be no use trying again. And okay, for starters, I'm gonna show you something important, guys. Yeah, this is very informative. And wait a second. I don't know what to say, so right now I'm just gonna try and refresh it. And I just can't believe what I'm seeing here, guys. It's just, I mean, are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? That's what these famous guys talk about. This is consistency.